Hi, so today we are continuing our series called One Day, One Doodle, and let's get going. So today, I suppose we'll start with this booklet from the start. Again, yeah. We'll go with this one. Look, just see it here. You know what we are gonna do with this one? I think since we already done a document, why don't we do an actual mint? I know it sounds crazy, but yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we are gonna get our pen. We are gonna draw on our 12. Like this. So yeah, now we are doing the like those mint leaves, like they are very prickly. That's what we are trying to achieve. Now we the other side with the same prickly stuff. And now is this big brain? It's not. It is. No, it's not. This is big brain. And now we do like this. And look at this mischievous little smile on it, like ha ha ha. Now your hands each. Ha ha ha. I'm so smart. Yes, I know, it's so smart. This one looks kinda strange, so I'ma add just a little stem. This. Yeah. And here we're just gonna add a lot of little ornaments. And now like this. Yeah, so now we just draw little stems for each of them. And we add some dots. Because dots are the head of all. Yes, so we add those. Yeah, and now we are finished. Oh, but I want to add to this. Look, I'm just gonna add 2 clouds. This one here and this one here, like this. So yeah, now we are done. I hope you enjoy. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.